What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release April 27th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. First up, we got the Air Jordan Retro 1 Women Exclusive releasing April 10th. Then we have the Air Jordan Retro 5 SE releasing April 13th. Next up, we got the Air Jordan Retro 1 OG High Green Glow releasing April 20th. And last but not least, we got the Air Jordan Retro 1 OG Team Red releasing April 27th. Now, all of these releases, plus the one that we're about to review, is shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. I also have full reviews on some of these pairs on the channel if you want to check those out. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Now, starting off with the box, we got the standard Nike Jordan box, two-tone, one side sail, other side has this elephant print, and then we have the orange Jumpman logo sitting on top of the Air branding. Taking a look at the label, Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro, white cosmic clay and sail, size 12 we're going to be taking a look at. Go ahead and flip the lid up. Standard cement paper, flip that back. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Georgia Peach. These do not come with any added accessories, so let's go ahead and get right into this review. Starting off with the top-down view, all white sock liner, gray insole with the white Jumpman logo sitting on the top, white tongue with the orange Jumpman logo, white laces, orange eyelets, white rubber lace holders, no cement print right here, just the all white perforated leather. Also right here on the bottom of the laces, we have more of those orange eyelets. Taking a quick look at the toe box, we do have a little bit of texture to the leather, got a little widow's peak right there as well. Going around to the lateral side of the shoe, the same texture that is on the upper is present right here on the all white leather mid panel. It does not have that smooth, stiff leather that you normally would get on a pair of OG cements. Now, for some reason, I don't know if it's just this pair or the lighting, but it does seem like the elephant print is a lot darker on the toe than it is on the heel. Taking a look at the other shoe that's inside of this pair, both cement print almost comes off as if they are the same shade. Taking a look at the midsoles, coming from the toe to the heel, has a aged sail look with the orange accent color sitting on the top. Milky white air bubble unit, which sits on top of the all gray outsole. We have the orange accent color right here on the toe, and we also have the orange Jordan branding as well. Going around to the heel of the shoe, no Nike Air branding, just the Jumpman logo sitting on top of the Air. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Now taking that last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Women Exclusive Georgia Peach. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.